2004 Dodge Ram SRT-10. It has the Viper V10 engine in it. Well, all we did on it, it's got headers on it. All we did was install some new high flow catalytic converters. And he has a aftermarket MagnaFlows system on there. These look like 14-inch body MagnaFlows. And they come up like this, sort of on top of each other. Those aren't resonators, I think they're just heat shields. And it comes into dual tips. Beautiful truck. There's the Viper SRT-10. We don't see these often. We didn't do this work here, the MagnaFlows, but still wanted to videotape it. And there you are, there's the caps we put on, and there's the long tube headers all the way up there. Tell us what you guys think. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful sound. Gorgeous truck. There's an idle. Oh, I love that crackle. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Pop the hood. We're gonna pop the hood on it.